Welcome to EduZign, a brand new AI-powered app that helps you instantly create, host, and sell video courses in any niche in minutes without any manual work. Once you log into the dashboard, you can create or manage your academies. Let's try creating a new academy from scratch. Just hit the Add New Academy button. I am keeping the academy title as Digital Arena. You can choose the desired subdomain. In this case, let's just say Digital Arena. You can choose the academy icon and the logo for the academy as well. However, they are optional. I have them for my academy. I am uploading them one by one. Now, I will go ahead and click on the Submit button. And my academy has been created. Let's now choose the academy I created by selecting the Manage option from the drop-down. At the top of the screen, you can see the logo of the academy I am managing right now. Moving ahead, let's first create a few categories for courses we are planning to add in the academy. For this, you just need to navigate to the Courses menu and choose the Course Category submenu. Then, click on Add New Category. I am going to create a category called Digital Marketing. I can decide if the category is the main one or if it is a subcategory of another main category by choosing the parent category. Optionally, I can also choose the icon and thumbnail for the category. Hit Submit, and you can see the course category has been created. Let's create a subacademy for it, with the name Social Media Marketing. And I will choose Digital Marketing as the parent category. The subcategory has also been created. Now, I am going to add some courses into this category. So let's navigate to the Manage Courses option. EduZign comes with over 1,000 done-for-you eBooks and video courses, which you can preview from here. These courses are preloaded in this system, and you can add them to your academy with just one click and start selling immediately. For example, let's import this course. In the pop-up, I need to choose the category under which I want the course to be. Click on Import, and that's it. The course has been added to my academy. Similarly, if you want, you can select multiple courses and click the Import button at the top to add them all at once into your academy. Now, let's navigate to Manage Courses. I can see the course here, which I just imported. From the navigation, you can view the course on the front end to see what it looks like. It's ready to go, and you can start selling the course right away. And if you have your own courses, you can add them in the system too. Let's go ahead and add a new course. Here you can add all the details and set up your own course. For example, I would like to set up one of my own courses. Let's say it SEO for Dummies. You can add a short description for the course as well as a detailed description. I am going to go ahead and add details of my course in these fields. Further, you can choose the category for the course and choose the level of the course, like beginner, advanced, or intermediate. You can decide if you want to keep the course as active or private, which means the course will not be visible to everyone in the academy, or you can show it as an upcoming course. You can also set the course as one of the top courses if you want. Let's move to the next step. Here you can add some frequently asked questions about the course along with their answers, designed to provide users with quick information without needing to contact customer support. However, all the fields in this step are optional. I am adding a few FAQs here. Further, you can add requirements for the course, like an internet connection, basic knowledge of computers, in the outcome field, You can add what the student will be able to do once they finish the course successfully. Let me add a few outcomes like drive targeted traffic, analyze website data, and boost website ranking. Done. In the next step, you can set up pricing details for the course. You can set the course as a free one, or you can set the price for it. You can also enable the discount and set a discounted price for it. Additionally, you can also set the expiry for the course, like if the access will be for a lifetime or limited to a few months. Let's move to the next step to add some media previews for the course. You can add the course thumbnail or even the course intro video URL, either from YouTube, Vimeo, or any MP4 video URL. Let me choose a course thumbnail from my system. And I am adding the intro video of the course from YouTube. I will simply copy and paste the video URL from YouTube. On the next step, we have the option to add keywords and descriptions for the course for SEO purposes. So, my keywords can be something like SEO, ranking, traffic, etc. My description can be SEO for beginners or SEO for dummies. Well, that's it. Just click on the button now to publish and activate the course. Now, we need to add course material itself. You can manage it in multiple sections. You can add unlimited sections and lessons. So let's go ahead and add a section first. Let's say it's Introduction. Once the section has been created, click on Add Lesson. Now, here you can choose the type of lesson. Either it's a YouTube video, Vimeo video, MP4 video URL, a video from Google Drive, a document file like PDF or DOC files, plain text, an image file, or an A-frame embed URL. Let me try adding a YouTube video as a lesson. In the very next step, you can add the title for the video lesson. Let's say it's What is Search Engine Optimization? I want the lesson to be added under the section Introduction. For the video URL, I will simply copy the URL of my YouTube video and paste it here. Optionally, you can also add a description about the lesson. And you can even mark your lesson as free if you want. This is a pretty solid feature if you want to make your course partially available, so that students can preview a lesson before purchase. Click on Add Lesson, and the first lesson has been added. Let's add another lesson. I want this one as a document file. The title for the lesson is Course Instructions and Guidelines, and it is to be added under the Introduction section. The document type will be PDF, as I will be uploading the PDF file. Hit the Add Lesson button. That's it. Another lesson has been added. You can also add quizzes inside sections so that you can test students timely and keep them engaged and interactive. Let me quickly create another section. Let's say it's a daily practice session. Now let's add a quiz in this section. Add a quiz title. Basics of Search Engine Optimization. Choose a section for the quiz to be added to. Quiz duration. If you want to disable the timer, set the duration to 0. Total marks for the quiz. Let's say it's 20. Passing marks for the quiz. Let's say it's 15. You can set a drip content rule if students must achieve passing marks to start the next lesson. Number of attempts students can perform, and any additional instructions you want to add. Hit the button, and the quiz has been created. Now, we need to add questions to the quiz. Click on Quiz Questions, then add a new question. Let me add a question. Which of the below is not a search engine? This will be a single choice question with 4 options. I can add options below like Facebook, Google, Yahoo, and Bing. And the correct answer is Facebook, so let me choose it as the answer. Submit the question, and the quiz has been added. Similarly, you can add more questions in the same quiz. You can even sort sections, lessons, and quizzes. Just drag them to move up or down to change the sequence for them, and click on the Update Sorting button to get it done. In the Academic Progress tab, you can track the progress of each and every student subscribed to the course with the date of their subscription. Let's see how the course looks on the front end. You can see the beautiful course page with an overview, curriculum, user reviews, thumbnail, preview video, etc. And the course is ready to start selling. You can even change the look and theme of your Academy's website. In the admin panel, just navigate to Settings and choose Website Settings. Here you can do all the changes you need on the front-end website. Like in the Front-End Settings tab, you can update banner contents for the home page, manage cookie consent, and manage your social profile URLs and contents on your policy pages. In the Home Layout tab, you can choose from 6 available layouts for the home page. In the Home Page Settings tab, you can add motivational quotes, which will be shown on the website's home page, and you can even enable or disable any section for the home page. Similarly, you can update FAQs, contact page information, logos and images for the website, and even add custom codes or scripts.